Check it out, boss.
What's up?
Since this used to be a syndicate crib, thought I'd poke around and see what they left behind.
All right, so what am I looking at?
Safety deposit keys. Now, don't you want to know what it is they all got locked up?
The syndicate will know we have the keys. They'll be waiting for us to make a move.
Well, I guess then you better watch my back.
All right, let's go. So what's the plan here?
I'm gonna go in, open the safety deposit boxes, get the shit, and then come out.
Think it'll be that simple?
Fuck no.
Didn't think so.
Just be ready when I come out.
Nothing to worry about, trust me.
Alright, I'm coming out now. Keep my ass covered till I can find somewhere to hide.
On it. You got what we went in for?
Hell yeah.
That one was for you, Johnny.
Damn, these guys don't give up. Little help from up there might be nice. Damn, these guys don't give up. Don't let these assholes get too close.
Here comes the...
Get the fuck out of here!
Damn, these guys don't give up. Don't let these assholes get too close.
The Saints die with you.
They're blocking the road up here. Help me out. Another roadblock. Shoot! The building is just over the bridge.
All right, I'll find a place to set up. Nice try. Damn, I'm good.
Old Tourist Center or a couple pallets of Saints merch. Maybe we should do a little advertising around town, you know, pimp the Saints in Steelport.
Don't we have a PR department for that?
People go crazy over actual celebrities promoting themselves.
So you're saying it has to be me.
Oh, I'll do the selling. You just get my back, and I have the perfect places to hit.
So how do we know where to sell?
Let's cut right to the heart of this shit. Hit the Morningstar territory.
How do you know where that is?
The documents we got with those keys gave up a whole lot.
Ballsy. I like it. What sort of things we have to sell off?
Got some basic merchandise, you know, like shirts and lunchboxes.
That hit?
Well, there's always my demo tape.
So we have a bunch of shit, is what you're saying. You trying to break something?
Keep an eye out up ahead. This is my last one, but it's yours.
Hey, this stuff isn't half bad.
Son of a bitch!
I just can't take anymore. Corpse over here.
You got any advice on closing the deal?
Yeah. Hold a gun to their head.
I don't think that'll work. I'm impressed! About damn time. Shit, not again.
You're gonna kill some.
I think I
You are hard on vehicles.
Time to get the Saints some love. What you need, man? I got Saints merch, Otar merch, Aisha merch.
I am the greatest!
You ain't lost a step! They're coming in with choppers.
You're a natural at this, Pierce.
Fuck right I am.
You know, if banging doesn't work out, you can always get a job at Planet Saints.
Not cool. Let's pick this up another time. Gotta work on my technique.
Yeah, I think the Morningstar got the message we're around.
Just like oh.
If we're gonna get a cash flow going, we'll need a business to funnel us money.
You want to rob some store?
That'll cause more problems than it's worth. I'm saying we buy one from the Morningstar.
Yeah, because they'll jump at the chance to sell to us.
Nope, because we already have the deed.
Come again?
We take the deed from the lockbox and purchase the store in our name instead.
Well, if they can't argue.
So, friendly fire?
Yep. Best thing is, owning it gives us a discount.
Nice.
This city's full of businesses and buildings we could snatch up.
The more we take from the syndicate, the better.
Right. Though we're gonna need Steelport on our side too. Drive around and see if we got any fans here.
Damn, do you always drive like that?
Pierce, what the hell is this?
Oh, that? A little hobby of mine.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Shit, I don't mean it like that. They're collectibles. You're supposed to try and find them all.
People collect some weird shit. Let's get out of here. I have the need to shoot something now. What other deeds were in that box?
An apartment building.
Didn't I already get us a new place?
Brick and mortar, baby. Real estate is cheap.
Take more money out of the syndicate's pocket and into ours. I like it.
I've seen Morningstar all over the city doing deals and shit.
Sounds perfect.
We wipe them off a corner, they'll think twice about coming back.
Just try to drive off.
Oh! I need a new
You been drinking?
I'll take the wheel if you want.
Did something hit my leg?
Ooh, gets the blood pumping. To my loins. Oh!
Son of a bitch!
Good times. Know anywhere else they do business?
Yeah, up to the north.
Oh, hell.
Already bleeding. You're through in Steelport.
That's right!
Looks like we pissed them off a bit.
You think?
Head to friendly fire. That should get them to back off.
Why would a gun store get them to back off?
Cause we own it. So we got boys protecting it. Any place the Saints own should be able to take the heat off you.
Good to know.
They're coming in chop!
Hell, I do that all the time. Just missed.
These punks never learn. You saw that, right? You saw it?
Going now.
No PR department. Let you get you. You drop better than this.
Over here.
You ain't lost a step.
Don't fuck with the Saints!
First to 20 bodies win.
My son will like this.
Put that away and buy something.
like blowing shit up?
Go on, I'm all ears.
Found the route the Morningstar uses to deliver their goods buried in the syndicate files.
You saying we drop a few pipe bombs under them?
Fuck that. I'm saying we use a tank.
This may be the best idea you've ever had.
That wasn't much of a challenge. Oh, I know that had to hurt. How you gonna stop a tank? Yeah, that's worth it.
They won't resist for long.
You ready to be a star?
Thought we already were.
Oh, not like this. You've been personally selected for a spot on a game show here in town.
Game show? You're not trying to auction me off on some dating thing, are you?
Trust me, you'll love this shit. Meet me and I'll show you.
You better be right.
Drive the speed limit.
Hello, Steelport, and welcome to Professor Genki's Super Ethical Reality Climax.
Time to see how the game is played.
Fight your way through Professor Genki's Super Sparkle Lab for fun and profit.
Now, with every man, woman, and tiger shot, your prize money goes up. But look out. No one likes it when you shoot a panda. Unethical. Once you've collected enough money, the door to the lab opens up and you're free to go.
But if you think it's that easy, you've never seen Genki before.
Oh, and one more thing. On this show, no one gets to take a break. If you want to stay in the fight, be sure to shoot the first aid target.
Good luck. It's murder time, fun time. Welcome to Professor Genki's Super Ethical Reality Climax. Murder time is fun time, right, Bobby?
You got it, Zach. If our contestants can survive the deadly traps, armed mascots, and those freakishly huge hunters, they can win a hefty pile of cash.
This game looks deadly, because it is. But it's still probably safer than driving in Steelport.
Our competitor isn't from Steelport this time, Zach. Today, we'll be watching the leader of the Saints, the world-famous Stillwater Street Gang.
As many times as this former gangbanger has been shot at, blown up, run over, and generally put through hell, this competition probably seems pretty routine.
Routine maybe, but lucrative. You are going to make Professor Genki-sized dollars driving hoes around, that's for sure.
Cha-ching!
Having no trouble whatsoever finding the bonus targets.
Apparently, our contestant is quite the hero back in Stillwater. Have you ever been to Stillwater, Bobby?
I did, and it wasn't a good trip. My car got covered in sewage by a passing septic truck.
Really? What did you do to piss off the driver?
I didn't do a damn thing. I just wish I hadn't rented a convertible.
Wait, you were in the car when this happened?
Back to the action. Our contestant is doing really well. Is that? It is. We have a present. A present is in the maze.
It's been a long time since Professor Genki's has seen the caliber of shooting.
That's what the fans pay to see.
And that's it! We